Hey guys, welcome to Freedom Tutorials. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to re-download Musi, which is an amazing music app. As you know, it's removed from the Apple Store. So today I'm going to be showing you how to re-download this app just in case you got a new phone or you deleted it or something along that line. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to re-download it. So for this video, I'm going to be following along with this Reddit post right here, which is going to be my guide of how to do this because I'm also doing it for the first time, but I'm just going to walk you through it as well. So there's a lot of methods out there where you need to use like a separate device that has the app or to have the app offloaded, like still on your phone. But like this person says, for this method, this is not needed at all. So if you have it offloaded on your device or have it on a separate device, you can follow other guides for that, or you can just follow this one if you want. And then like they say here, this method does not work for those who did not install Musi before it was banned and will need an iCloud account that has had it installed before. So yeah, you need to make sure that you have an iCloud account that has had it installed before. Okay, so with that out of the way, we're just going to get started right away here. So there's a couple of things we have to download. The first one is iMazing, which is with this link right here. And I'll be leaving a link to this Reddit post in the description down below, along with all the links that I reference. But in case you want to type it out, the link is imazing.com/download. Click enter. Alright, so I'm on a PC, so you can do whatever one you're on, but I'm going to download for PC. Alright, so then it's going to bring you to this page, and as you can see, it's downloading right here, so I'm just going to wait for that to finish. Alright, so it just finished here, so I'm going to go ahead and open that up. Alright, so after you open it up, it's going to ask if you can install it, so you just click next, agree to the agreements, click next, and then it's asking where you want to download it. You can do wherever. Click next, just keep going until you get install. And here we're just going to wait for it all to install. Alright, so after it does all of its like downloading and whatever, it'll be done. So we can click finish and it's going to launch it up right here for us. This is just like terms and service stuff, so you can click agree. Alright, so it's going to bring you to this page and this is iMazing. Now before we get to that, we actually have to download another thing. So next we have to go download this Musi IPA thing with this link. So you can either just click this link, I'll have it down below, or you can type it in, which is this, s3aws.chrisnyc.net/#M-Musi. And then click enter. Then it'll bring you to this page right here. You can click on this IPA right here, Musi 6.2.41 IPA. Click on that, and now it's going ahead and downloading it right here. So we'll just wait for that to finish up. So after you finish downloading the IPA, you're going to come here to this iMazing program. And now you need to plug in your phone that you're going to be downloading on. You got to plug that into your PC. All right, then over here on my phone, got to click trust, put in the password. Alright, then over here you can see that the pairing was successful. So now we can go to devices, and then you can see my phone's right here. So I'm just going to double click on that. And this is going to bring us to this page right here. Okay, so now that you're on this page, you're going to go to these three dots right here, and then go to manage apps. And when you're on this page, you want to make sure that it's set to device instead of library. Make sure it's on device. Okay, so now once you're here, you're going to come to this bottom right, the three dots right here. Click on this. And then do install IPA file. And then it's going to open up your file. So you can just go ahead and find where your Musi IPA thing is and download that. Alright, then after you select your IPA file, it's going to give you like a warning that you only have 25 items remaining before you have to pay. Just click proceed, you'll be good. Alright, here we go. You can see it's installing Musi. And you can see Musi just appeared on my phone. So it's giving us a little message that I can edit my home screen. But yeah, we have Musi right there. And on the computer, you can see that Musi was installed. Okay, and you can see that it's downloaded on my phone, but if I click on it, it asks for like my Apple ID and stuff. But this is a step we actually don't want to do. We have a couple more steps we want to do before we can actually use it on our phone. Okay, so back on iMazing, you're going to go to your device page still and scroll down until you find Musi. I got it right here. And then you're going to right click on it, and then we're going to do backup app data. And then once you're here, you want to click this bottom one, extract from last backup if possible, and then click next. And then it's going to give you this warning, but you can just go ahead and click OK. And it's going to give me another warning that this is going to take a while. Okay, continue. All right, on my phone, it's asking for the password to trust the computer, so let's go ahead and throw that in. So my download finished, and now you can see I have Musi on my desktop right here, so we're good to go. Also on the Reddit post here, they said that if it asks to select what file to save it to, make sure to click the original downloaded IPA that we downloaded before. So if you get this as you're downloading this, like a prompt asking what file to save it to, then make sure you click this. Alright, so after we're done with this, we're going to go back to these three dots, and then go to Manage Apps again. And then we're going to scroll down again until we find Musi, and then select Musi, and then we're going to click Uninstall. Are you sure you want to uninstall Musi? Yes. And you can see it just removed it from my phone, so that is good. Now, after we're done with that, we're going to go to the library page up here. Okay, so once you're at library here, this is the final step. You're going to take your Musi right here on the desktop, and then bring it over here, over your phone, and then drop it to transfer it. So this is going to restart your phone completely, but we're going to click transfer and let it restart. And then you can just click proceed again right here. And then it's just basically giving me some instructions here. I'm going to click continue. And then after you click transfer, it's going to tell you to turn off Find My on your phone. So in order to do that, you're going to go to settings. And then you're going to click on your Apple account. Then down here at Find My, click that. And then right at the top, Find My iPhone, click on that. And just turn it off on the top. And then you're going to have to put in your Apple ID password. And now it's giving me an error right here on the computer that backup encryption needs to be enabled to perform this operation. So in order to fix this, we're just going to click OK. And then after we click OK, we're going to go down to our settings here. And then we're going to enable backup encryption. Alright, so now it's asking for the password on my phone. Go ahead and do that. Alright, so now that's enabled, so we can go back and finish what we're doing. So I'm just going to go back and repeat the steps we were doing. So I'm on library here. Now I'm going to transfer this over. Click transfer. Okay, so you can see here that the bar just finished, and it says it's verifying the backup. So it's just finishing up here. Okay, so now it's asking for my Apple ID and the password that I used to get this app. So I'm going to go ahead and throw that in. And on my phone, it asks me to verify if this is okay, that I'm signing in on the computer. I'm going to click allow. And it's giving me a verification code to throw in right here. Alright, after that, I'm clicking continue. And you can see it's installing Musi. And now this is where it's restarting my phone. So as it restarts your phone, it's going to bring you to a page, and it's going to look like you're factory resetting your phone, but I promise you, you're not. It's going to seem like you are, but you're not. You're just getting the Musi app, so you don't have to worry about that. And here it's giving me some warnings that as I'm setting up the phone again, I have to choose these options, which I'll walk you through as well. Okay, so I apologize for the awkward setup here, but I'm just going to walk you through what to do when you're setting up your phone here. So we're going to swipe it up, put in your password, and my phone's still connected, so I'm going to say trust this computer and put in my password. And so here, as we're going through all these settings, you can do them how you want, but I'm going to show you which ones are important. Okay, so once you get to this screen where it's saying iPhone partially set up, you have two options. You can erase and start over, or you can continue with partial setup, and we're going to do that one. Continue with partial setup. Now, it's important to do these settings that I'm telling you to do, otherwise you might lose your data on your phone. Alright, once you get to this screen where it's saying make this your new iPhone, then we're going to go to the bottom and click Customize, and then we're going to do Don't Transfer Anything on this screen. And then for some reason it's giving me the screen again, make this your new iPhone, but I'm just going to click Customize again. And then here you can just go through what you want. Alright, so now we're here. Alright, so now that we're here, let's go into Musi and see if it's working. So yeah, right now it's bringing me to how it would be if I first downloaded the app. So yeah, this is just how it is by default. So yeah, we're doing good. This is it. You got Musi back. Now, if you're here on Musi and you want to restore your old playlist and everything like that, just go to Musi, go down to the bottom to More, and then click at the top, Backup, Recover, and Transfer. And then right here, we're going to do Recover Musi from Backup. And then it's saying right here, the following backup codes have been found to be associated with your iCloud account. So hopefully yours will just show up right here. So I'm going to click my most recent one. And then Import Backup. And as you can see, I have everything back exactly how I had it. So that's it. We're done. And if you paid to remove ads forever, then you go to More. And then you can go right here to Restore In-App Purchases. And then you'll be able to restore that feature of not having any ads. So there you go, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you a lot. Like I said, if you have any questions, you can refer to the Reddit post that I was referencing. I hope you guys use your Musi app to give glory to God and use it for what's good. To help with that, I have a couple of playlists that I'm going to leave in the description, including my Christian playlist, and then I also have a worship songs playlist for anyone to copy if they want it. But other than that, that's all I have for this video, so thank you guys for watching. Saint Cecilia, the patron saint of music, pray for us, and yeah, see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.